guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing something very interesting and I have never tried in my entire life. I am mixing all my foundations. I have heard a lot of stuff about this particular statement that it gives you a perfect color and a radiant look that anyone could get, and this is your perfect foundation shade. So I thought let's give it a try and try it. I have in total 10-11 foundations I think, and they are beautiful foundations and I'm obsessed with them. So let's get started. So guys, this is what have come out of these 10 foundations. You can see. So we'll just mix it with this kind of a stippling brush. You can see this brush, but I am going to do it. And I've always heard that when you mix all your foundations, it tends to get your perfect shade, and I am looking for that only. So I think enough amount has been applied now. Leaving this brush because it is having a lot of foundation, I'm using another brush to blend all this out. Literally see what comes out of all these 10. Going on with my neck also because I have a lot of amount on my face. So this is how I look, and my foundation has been completely blended. I really think this is the perfect shade I could ever get. It is so, full coverage and stuff like that. Now I'll just bake my face because I have a lot of foundation. So guys, this is the final result and this is how I look after the foundation and plus all my makeup like contouring, blushing, and all that stuff. With my lipstick, the in color matte May lipstick I have in the shade 415, which is a very beautiful shade and one of my favorite shades. Literally I am so happy with this. This is so beautiful. I'm literally thinking why I could not get a foundation in this shade, but I'll do stuff like that and challenges like that again and again to surprise myself as well as you guys. If you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. So if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update.